Well, as renewable energy players race to meet the government's 175 gigawatt production target by 2022, wind turbine maker Suzlon is betting big on new technology that will help them generate power from low wind sites. Nivrita Ganguly went down to their wind farm site in Kutch to learn what this means for Suzlon.
It's been a tough few years for Suzlon Energy, but it looks like the winds of change are finally blowing. This is the year that Suzlon hopes to turn it all around, and it could be next generation technology like these prototypes being developed in Suzlon's wind farm site in Kutch that could have a key role to play. This is Suzlon's newest wind turbine called the S111. Like the S97 launched last year, this prototype uses next generation technology to harness low wind sites across the country. The so-called hybrid tower is made of both steel lattice and concrete, and together with its 111-meter rotor diameter, this turbine can start generating power at wind speeds of just 3 meters per second. Suzlon hopes this low wind technology will help them scale greater heights, so we went all the way to the top to see how it works. Well, we're here at the top of the new S111 prototype wind turbine launched by Suzlon just last month. Now at a height of 120 meters, it's one of the tallest wind turbines in India. And apart from offering a spectacular view of Suzlon's wind farm site here in Jamanwada in Kutch, Suzlon is also hoping that it'll offer 40% PLF, which is significantly higher than the S97 that was launched last year. And a 40% PLF or plant load factor may be just the edge Suzlon needs right now. Not long ago, 1 in 2 wind turbines sold in India were made by Suzlon. But after the acquisition of Germany's RE Power left them drowning in debt, new competition has stepped in. After years of losing market share, Suzlon jumped back to 27% last fiscal. And this year, the target is 40%. Suzlon MD and Chairman Tulsi Tanti says the wind energy market is set to grow at an average of 30% for the next 6 years. And Suzlon hopes to grow even faster. Apart from next-generation wind turbines, Suzlon is also entering the solar energy space by building their first wind and solar hybrid project in Rajasthan. With the government's unprecedented push into renewable energy and Suzlon finally returning to profitability, their future looks bright both in wind and solar power. On the ground, innovation is the name of the game, but the question remains, will this be enough to win back their market share and investor confidence? With camera person Vijay Sartape in Gujarat, Nivrita Ganguly for Bloomberg TV India.
All right, on that note, it's a wrap on Market Pulse for now. Lunch Money is up next.